Rubik's Cube is more than just a toy.
It is a cube made up of smaller cubes, and each cube has like three different colors on it, and you have to match up the 6 sides of the cube with the corresponding colors. Okay. And it's really hard.
I would say it's a toy, but it's sort of not for children, is it? It's more for adults.
It's a square cube that has colors on each side of the cube, and it's made up of maybe little blocks inside.
Erno Rubik is a Hungarian architect and professor. He invented the world's most popular puzzle in 1974, which was later on internationally sold as the Toy of the Year in 1980. The Rubik's Cube is the world's best-selling product of all time. More than 1/5 of the world's population has attempted to solve it, and less than 4% can actually solve it.
Say like over 10 million.
A lot. No idea. In the hundreds.
I am going to say 500. I have no idea.
The Rubik's Cube has exactly 43 quintillion, 252 quadrillion, 3 trillion, 274 billion, 489 million, 856,000 different combinations, where only one is the solved combination. The largest layered cube is a 17 by 17 constructed by Oscar van Deventer, made by a 3D printer, and it costs over $1,500. This brings us to the most expensive cube ever made. This cube was made by Fred Queller for the 15th anniversary of the Rubik's Cube in 1995. It's a regular sized, fully functional cube and made out of 185 carats of gems, all laid out into 18 carats of solid gold. This cube costs $1.5 million. Solving a Rubik's Cube is just one thing, but speed cubers have taken it much further. The first world record was set in 1982 by Ronald Brinkman for a solve of 19 seconds. Now the world record is held by Felix Zemdex for an unbelievable solve of 5.66 seconds. The World Cube Association organizes competitions for twisty puzzles all over the world. There have been more than 400 speed cubing competitions since 1982. A typical speed cubing competition looks like this. Each speed cuber has a judge recording their times to calculate a final average of 5 solves. As each round progresses, cubers with the slowest average are eliminated and the cubers with the fastest average qualify to the next round. As rounds pass by, the fastest cuber is found and announced the winner. The winner of the Toronto Winter Open 2012 was Emily Wang with an average of 9.84 seconds for the 3x3 cube. There are many WCA events. Some of the most common and popular ones include the 2x2, 3x3, 4x4, the 5x5, the 6x6, and the 7x7. There are also some WCA events that aren't so common, such as the Pyraminx, the Magic, one-handed solving, blind solving, and even foot solving. The cube is an imitation of life itself, or even an improvement on life. Quote by Rubik.